Welcome to my channel. Here we have 12 plus 1 times 3 divided by 1. So first of all, solve our 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1 will give us 13. 13 times 3 divided by 1. 13 times 3 will give us 39. 39 divided by 1 will give us 39. And what if I say 39 is the wrong answer to this expression, because we do not work in accordance with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. PEMDAS is parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction, working from our left to our right, where we see multiplication and division in the same expression because they have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction. They also have equal priorities, so we work from our left to our right. So let's dive into the right answer to this question. First of all, we solve our multiplication first because it comes first according to the order of operation, and multiplication and division have equal priorities, so we work from our left to right. So 1 times 3 will give us 3. Then we bring down our 12 plus 3, then divided by 1. Then we solve our division first because it comes before addition. So 3 divided by 1 will give us 3. Then we bring down our 12 here. 12 plus 3. Then 12 plus 3 will give us 15. 15 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.